So APS puts on these open houses because we know how important it is to involve the community in our projects. We want to establish why we're here, what the purpose and need of the project is, and to let them know that they're a part of that process. They're a key stakeholder in that process, an important one, to help us determine the proper locations for our facilities. And we want to make sure the public is aware of that and the communities are involved with that process. When you come to an open house, you'll get the chance to talk to someone one-on-one, to be able to talk to them, get your questions answered about the project. Here at the open house we have display boards which do a great job of outlining what the project purpose and need is, and we have pictures, we have diagrams, maps that all go into explaining what this project is. And there's also a GIS station that you can come and see where your home is or where your property is in relation to the project. And then get your comments. That's the main thing for this, is those comments are so necessary for us to really hear what you want to see and put that into our criteria. The format that we hold these open houses in is a one-on-one discussion. We find that we're better able to answer your questions that way, specific to your concerns, rather than holding a general presentation to a crowd overall. Oftentimes we miss the questions and concerns that you individually might have, and we find it better address those concerns that you have. It's important for APS to be in front of the community so that they can feel a part of what's happening. The community is a partner in this process, and we want to make sure that everyone feels happy about what ultimately is done here.